stuff. I'd like to thank you for tuning in to the channel, and I hope it's worth your time. What the whole video is going to be about is how I built this walkway that's behind me for a little over $350, in that range somewhere. I found the pavers on Facebook Marketplace for 200 bucks. I ordered 1.5 tons of limestone fines to put in around them, but I wasn't actually going to put this on my channel because it was just going to be one of those quick projects. But my wife talked me into it, and so about halfway through is where the next part of this video is going to take you. And one of the mistakes that I made in this video is that I neglected to turn on the mic, and so I didn't have any audio until almost the end of this, when I found out that I didn't have the mic on. So I had to come up with a way to present this in a fashion that wouldn't scare you away. So I decided on going with a split screen. I had to search YouTube. A lady named Tammy had a 4.5-minute video on how to do that in LumaFusion, which is the program I use. So let's get started where we're originally going here. You can see me talking over here. Well, my lips are moving and nothing of any substance is coming out, a lot like a politician. So I'm explaining that I wasn't going to do this, and my wife talked me into it, that I got them on Facebook Marketplace, and that as long as Facebook Marketplace was around, it was probably going to keep me in projects because I can't walk away from a good deal. And then I turn the camera around and I start showing the entrance to the other end of this walkway, and how we use like these pebbles, stones, and part of the walkway that is still river rock. And we'll get that changed over when I can find some more of these pavers. But it shows where I went in, took out the river rock and dug down about 6 inches. Then I used the limestone fines, put about a 2-inch layer over the bottom to level each one of those off and get them firmly, into that walkway, and poured the other limestone fines around the sides of it, and how I put those in. But again, I hope this video has some value for you, and see you at the end. All right, I just figured out that I didn't have the switch on my mic. So this whole video, I'm sure I'm going to have to voice over. Sorry about that. But this is going to be the end of this video. I know that I should have tamped down that bottom layer, but it was fairly thin. I used it for leveling up the blocks, and pretty much that's it. The rest of it was for around the sides. I'm just going to use water, rain, to compact that, and hopefully it's going to settle enough to leave those limestone stones, squares, rectangles, up out of the top of the fines just a little bit, maybe 1/4 of an inch. And if it sinks more than that, I've got a lot of those fines left. But thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate you taking time out of your day to look at these videos. So I hope you have a great day.